Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, wireless WAN module, display panel assembly, hinge cover, and display bezel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, IR webcam, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the three 10.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.